What is a full stop? A full stop is a punctuation mark that indicates the end of a sentence. A full stop is used after a complete thought and enables the readers to pause briefly before continuing to the next sentence. Full stops show that the sentence is a statement rather than a question or exclamation. They help to organize ideas into independent sentences so the text is clear and readable. However, the primary function of the full stop is to mark the conclusion of a sentence that makes a statement. Why we use full stops? They serve several important purposes. Number 1, pause and emphasis. The full stop provides a quick stop, allowing a pause in reading before the next sentence begins. This pause gives emphasis to the preceding thought. Number 2, clarity. Proper sentence separation into units with full stops enables smooth, unambiguous flow of the ideas. Readers can easily absorb one idea before moving to the next. Number 3, organization. Full stop punctuation structures lengthy text into manageable segments. Related sentences are grouped together, while disparate thoughts are separated into paragraphs. Number 4, meaning. A full stop conclusively signals the end of a full statement. This clarifies that the sentence is not posing a question or exclaiming. Rules of using full stops with examples. Rule number 1. Use a full stop at the end of any sentence that makes a statement or declaration. For example, the weather is supposed to be sunny today, full stop. My favorite subject in school is science, full stop. Birds fly south for the winter. Full stop. Rule number 2, use a full stop at the end of a sentence that gives a command or direction. For example, please pass the salt, full stop. Hand in your homework assignments, full stop. Wake up early in the morning, full stop. Rule number 3, full stops are also used after abbreviations, Dr., Mrs., Saint, Av, etc., after initials, J.K. Rowling, FDR, ATM, etc., with numeric bullet points in lists, 1, 2, 3, etc., it is essential to always use a full stop at the end of a complete declarative or imperative sentence. This clearly indicates the sentence is fully finished before the next one begins. Proper punctuation with full stops creates organized, readable content by separating statements into discrete thoughts. How to use full stops? 1. Full stops go inside quotation marks. If a sentence ends with a quotation, place the full stop inside the closing quotation marks. For example, the teacher said, "Class is dismissed." Here, full stop is inside the quotation mark. 2. Full stops go outside parentheses. If a parenthetical statement occurs at the end of a sentence, the full stop goes after the closing parentheses. For example, please read chapters 1 to 3. There will be a quiz. Here, full stop is outside the parentheses. Other full stop guidelines. Only use one full stop at the end of a sentence. Full stops always go inside parentheses for abbreviations, US, EG, IE. No extra space is needed between the last word and a full stop. Omit full stops for headings, titles, bulleted lists. When full stops are not used, do not use full stops with book titles, movie titles, article titles, etc. For example, Pride and Prejudice, Star Wars, A Brief History of Time. Headings in books, articles, reports, etc. do not take full stops. Likewise, there is no need to place full stops with introduction, methods, and key findings. In bulleted lists, full stops are unnecessary after each point. The bullets themselves end the points. Some common abbreviations omit full stops: NASA, HTML, kilometers, pounds. Ellipses indicate omitted words or trailing off words in a sentence. Do not follow with a full stop. For example, that movie was amazing. The book was really interesting. The key points are, ellipses indicate omitted or trailing off words in a sentence. There should not be a full stop immediately following the ellipses, since the ellipses themselves are ending the sentence. Using ellipses shows a sentence has been interrupted or left incomplete without needing any additional punctuation. A sentence ending in an exclamation mark does not need a full stop. For example, that movie was amazing. I can't believe we won the championship game. The roller coaster was more thrilling than I expected. A direct question ending in a question mark does not need a full stop. For example, who wants ice cream? Where should we go for dinner tonight? Did you finish your homework assignment? Fragments do not need punctuation as they are incomplete thoughts. For example, walking down the street, looked at the time, ran to catch the bus. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update.